Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's video comparing our two air fryers, our Cosori Turboblaze, beautiful. It's actually over here. Beautiful by Drew Barrymore, and we will see which air fryer cooks these fries quicker and better. So stay tuned to see which is the best. So we're just going to turn on our Turboblaze Cosori air fryer. And with the help of the DC motor and the different fan speeds, everything should cook evenly. And then we'll move on to our beautiful over here.
Both at 12 minutes.
Both at 12 minutes, no cheating.
1, 2, 3, start.
Yep. All right, guys, this is gonna be a quick video. Like I said, we wanted fries and we want to see which one of our air fryers is better and which one we should maybe even get rid of. All right, stay tuned. So the time has elapsed. Let's check out how our fries look. Beautiful first. Very crispy. Any feel uneven?
A little at the bottom.
Or not cooked?
Yeah, a little at the bottom or a little...
And we did
mushy.
shake this.
Yes, so that it would cook evenly, but...
And we did change the time for both of them to 15 minutes. So let's try one of these real fast. Let's try this one out. You got a nice close up my face. Hey guys, haven't seen you in a while. Missed you. Here we go. Listen for that. Nice taste. A bit greasy. These fries are really good. They're Cavendish, Costco. There's a crisp on there. Not super crispy, but we did put these in for 15 minutes, just so you know. Now let's try the Turboblaze. Okay. Turboblaze, you see a little bit of glistening.
They look a little better and evenly done.
Let's try this one. I just picked one out of the pack. Let's see.
To be that French fry.
Much more crispier than that one.
Does it seem more evenly?
Evenly cooked as well. Thanks to the DC motor and the fan speed. Cooks everything evenly on the Turboblaze. So I would give thumbs up to the Turboblaze. So guys, link in the description. Turboblaze will be on sale on Amazon. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.